हेलो फ्रेंड्स, स्टडी ट्रैक में आज देखिए क्लास 10 राइटिंग सेक्शन क्वेश्चन 4 स्टोरी राइटिंग के लिए टॉपर्स आंसर. This question carries 10 marks. It's obvious to score 10 out of 10, your story should have great language, great feel, great expression, excellent plot, action and words, and above all, interest till end. So check out yourself in this video. Watch till end. Subscribe Study Track for exclusive material for English and Social Science class 10th. Now let's come back to language and literature. Question number 4. Write a story in 150 or 200 words from the outline given below. The question goes like this. I was late that night. I closed the shutters of my shop. It was raining. Suddenly, I saw. Now, if this is the question, first of all, you have to give a title to this story. So we have given the title like this. Unsung Hero is the title. Now, here goes the story. Begin with the same line. I was late that night. I closed the shutters of my shop. It was raining heavily. Suddenly, I saw a bus on the next square. I started walking. I was walking towards the left lobby when a youth emerged from behind a pillar. Immediately, I gasped and my eyes widened in shock. He stood in front of my eyes, obstructing my way. The next thing that jolted my senses was the strong stench, stale cigarette smell. The figure stood disturbingly close and I took one step back. His eyes seemed to bore into my being and there was a sneer in his face. Where are you going, boy? It was obvious he had ill intent. None of your business, I stuttered. I cast a quick glance around. There was no one around. Despair crept in as I looked at the hostile face. I could feel my skin crawl as the sneer turned into a glare. Instinctively, I turned around to beat a hasty retreat. Help! Help! I was about to call out when there was a rough tug on my bag. I could feel my bag has been pulled away as I fell onto the ground. An involuntary scream elapsed my lips as an excruciating sharp pain shot through me. I was momentarily stunned. Then I saw the youth running away with my bag. I have been robbed. Stop! Stop! A deep voice bemoaned. Still on the ground, trying to recover from the pain, I saw 3 army men in uniform chasing the fleeing snatched thief. It was a real-life drama as I watched the kind army men chasing him. One of them sped up and made a leap for the youth, who landed on the ground with a loud cry. I knew what would be his fate, but my bag was returned. This shows that our army is never off on duty. So dear friends, you must have seen that in this story, you have not only used great language, but you have also used dialogues and you have joined the sequence of events using action words. So this makes your story different from others.